What's up, Team Tech Vengers? I hope you had a lovely October. Now, I'm gonna hit you up with 5 reasons why I think the Pixel lineup is so great. And mind you, I've been using the Pixel 2 XL, yes, a 3-year-old phone, but what I'm about to tell you is available on almost every Pixel phone, including my Relic, without the need to install any third-party apps. These are the 5 reasons that make the Google Pixel amazing. Most phones these days have built-in recorder apps. For the longest time, the Pixel never had this. One thing I appreciated over the Pixel was my iPhone, as I could quickly record something without having to download a third-party app. I guess the wait was worth it because the time has come where the Pixel's default recording app that now comes standard on any Pixel phone blows the iPhone out of the water. The interface is super clean and intuitive, and the secret sauce? Live transcription. This feature is amazing, and I can see why this phone would become a news reporter or an interviewer's dream come true. There are also tools where you can edit on the fly, and you can even search keywords if your recording is super long. Honestly, I would have loved this recorder app when I was in school. This would have made transcribing my lecture notes so much easier, but I guess I can use it at meetings and work as well. Now, I can't tell you how many times I've been at a mall, a gym, or even at a Starbucks, and I hear a song playing on the radio and I really want to know what that is. You've been there too. I know you have. Yes, you can pull out your phone and then unlock it and then get Shazam and try to find out what song that is, and if that doesn't work, you can load up SoundHound and maybe hope for the best. And that takes time, and usually the song is over by the time you manage to get it together. I've been in that situation way too many times. The Now Playing feature on the Pixel is in a world of its own. I literally have to do nothing other than pull out my phone and look at the screen. Tell me another phone that can do that. Come on, I'm waiting. And even if it's on my desk, I just tap the display once and I can see it at a glance. Now, since its conception, it has gotten better. You can now even see the history of all the songs it has detected, so if you miss a song, no problem, Google's got you covered. I love the dialer app on the Pixel, and every time I use it, it makes me hate the dialer app on the iPhone even more than I already do. I don't even think that's possible. Now, Apple deserves to be outed when it comes to their horrible implementation of the dialer. For starters, the Pixel has T9 contact searching within the dialer, a feature that has been around since the dawn of flip phones. But not only that, you can have immediate access to the phone numbers of businesses and restaurants without even having to open up Google Maps. How cool is that? The Pixel dialer will automatically pull up business numbers as soon as you start typing it out on the keypad. Google, you did a fantastic job here. Apple, your dialer is still absolute trash. Now, while we're on the topic of dialer, let's talk about this absolutely mind-blowing feature of Google Call Screen. Say goodbye to you spam callers, as Google uses some crazy AI magic to screen any calls from a number you don't recognize. Or if you don't feel like talking to your buddy, send him on over to the assistant. It shows conversations in real time between the caller and your AI assistant, so if it's important enough, you can decide to take their call or you can let them chat it up amongst themselves. I wasn't quite sure if I was going to include this in my list, but if my 3-year-old Pixel can take sometimes better photos than my iPhone 11 Pro, subjectively speaking, of course, then we got a problem. Now, the AI that Google uses on these Pixel cameras just amaze me. I still find myself going back to my Pixel 2 XL when I need to snap some photos, especially when they're selfies. Videos, yeah, not so great, but photos, they're brilliant. And the camera just gets better as the software gets better, and Google's AI is always learning. I take photos on the iPhone and they just don't have that same pizzazz as the Pixel photos, at least not for point and shoot. And at least not for me. That might be an unpopular opinion, but I said what I said. And don't get me started on the iPhone's front-facing camera. My 3-year-old Pixel destroys it. So, those are the 5, that's 10. So, those are the 5, but not all, of the reasons why you should be copying a Pixel phone. If you're on the fence about the Pixel 5, some of these reasons might be enough to convince you that this is your next phone. But like I said before, all of these features are available throughout the lineup, at least dating as far back as the Pixel 2 XL. So if you're feeling like getting an older Pixel just to save some money, I would say go ahead and do it. If I've missed anything, and I'm sure I have because the Pixel has so much more going for it, or if there's a feature that you specifically like about your Pixel, or any other phone for that matter, let me know in the comments down below. We love seeing varying perspectives, and no matter what phone you get or you have, just know that you're awesome because you gave us a thumbs up and you hit that subscribe button down below, and well, we appreciate you. It's been a pleasure, guys. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, the Tech Vengers are there. We got your back.